It's so hot! Ito ang Buhisan Dam, isa sa mga pinaka-importanting source ng tubig dito sa Cebu. Ngayon, tuyo na. Ano ba nangyari sa tubig? Lately, Pag-asa has been recording record-setting heat index. Nangre-range ito from 39 degrees to 41 degrees at tataas pa daw ito sa buwan ng Mayo. Nang dahil sa init, yung production capacity ng Buhisan Dam bumaba from 6,000 cubic meters of water per day to only 3,000 cubic meters of water per day. But that's only a part of the 50,000 water deficit that 50,000 households in Cebu are currently facing. Dried up and operating at half capacity, one would think ito yung pinakamalaking problema ng Cebu ngayon. But wait, there's more. Sa ngayon, may ongoing battle of leadership ang MCWD o Metropolitan Cebu Water District. Ito yung nagmamanage at nagdidistribute ng tubig dito sa Cebu. The fight involves Cebu City Government, Local Water Utilities Administration, and the incumbent Board of Directors ng MCWD. You can read more about that on stories that I've written on Rappler.com. You can follow me on social media on Facebook and Twitter to know more about those updates. But still, sa init ng panahon at yung labanan at yung water shortage, mapapatanong ka lang talaga, nasa impyerno ba tayo? It's so hot! Of course, don't forget to download the Rappler Communities app so you can join us on the Climate Change channel where we'll update you about environmental movements and discuss environmental issues worth knowing about.